When it comes to relationships, it can be tempting to fight for someone's attention. But this is often a fruitless effort. Instead, there are far more effective ways to get someone's attention and keep it. In this video, we'll explore why it's not worth your time to fight for someone's attention and what you should do instead to get and keep their attention. 1. Let her be the one to chase you. One of the most common mistakes people make when they like someone is to fight for their attention. This could mean constantly texting, calling, or trying to make plans, even if the other person seems disinterested or busy. But here's the thing. If someone is truly interested in you, they will make an effort to spend time with you and get to know you. If they don't, then they probably aren't worth your time and energy. Instead of chasing after someone who may not be interested, focus on letting them chase you. This means showing them that you have other options and that you're not going to wait around for them to make a move. One way to do this is to be confident in yourself and your own worth. Don't put all your eggs in one basket and make yourself too available to someone who hasn't shown a lot of interest yet. Keep your options open, and don't be afraid to go out and have fun on your own. Another way to let someone chase you is to make them work for your attention. Don't always respond to their messages right away, and don't always be available when they want to make plans. This may sound counterintuitive, but it will actually make them more interested in you, as they'll feel like they have to work harder to get your attention. Remember, the person who is worth your time and attention will be the one who makes the effort to chase you, not the other way around. So, be confident in yourself and your decision, and let the other person come to you. 2. Make her work for your attention. It may sound counterintuitive, but one of the best ways to keep someone interested in you is to make them work for your attention. When you're constantly available and attentive, you're not giving the other person any reason to chase you or invest in the relationship. Here's how you can make her work for your attention. 1. Don't always be the one to initiate conversation or make plans. Let her take the lead sometimes and see if she makes an effort to keep things going. 2. Show her that you have other options. If you're always available and willing to drop everything for her, she won't feel any urgency to pursue you. However, if she sees that you have a full life outside of your relationship with her, she'll be more motivated to win your attention. 3. Be unpredictable. If you're always doing the same things or responding to her in the same way, she'll quickly lose interest. Mix things up and keep her guessing about your next move. 4. Don't give her everything she wants right away. Instead, make her work for your attention by setting boundaries and expectations. If she wants your time and affection, she should have to earn it. By making her work for your attention, you'll not only keep her interested, but also establish yourself as a valuable partner worth pursuing. Remember, a healthy relationship is built on mutual respect, effort, and investment. 3. Leave her wanting more. One of the biggest mistakes people make when trying to win someone's attention is being too available. They may text back immediately or be willing to drop everything to hang out. But while this may seem like a good way to show that you care, it can actually have the opposite effect. People are naturally attracted to mystery and uncertainty. They want to feel like they have to work to win your attention and affection. So, instead of always being available, try leaving her wanting more. When you're talking on the phone, for example, try ending the conversation before it becomes too long. This will leave her wondering what else you had to say and when she'll hear from you again. Or, if you're hanging out together, leave before things start to drag on. This will keep the excitement and anticipation alive for your next meeting. It may feel counterintuitive, but this technique can actually help build attraction and keep things interesting between you and the person you're interested in. It also shows that you have a life outside of them, which can be a desirable trait in a partner. Of course, this doesn't mean that you should be distant or play hard to get all the time. Balance is key, but by leaving her wanting more, you'll be able to build a healthy and exciting relationship with someone who is truly interested in you.